Hey guys, it's Crystal and I'm back with another video for you guys. I received my wig yesterday from haloladyhair, and this is a 14-inch bob. This is a 14-inch bob, lace front wig. So that's just the front that has lace, nothing else has lace, it's just the front. And let me see if I got let me get the package, hold on. So y'all can see, it is a 14-inch Brazilian hair bob. So yeah, so this is a really nice wig. Hair is really soft. You can run your fingers through it. No snagging. I even combed through it and I got no shedding. Like, not one piece of hair came out. So that's really good. I didn't really want to do like a, the regular unboxing like everybody do, but yeah, no hair came out. And it's really soft. Fingers run through, no snagging, so that's a plus. It comes with 4 combs. Let me turn it inside out, and adjustable straps. So adjustable straps, 1, 2, 3, 4 combs, and it has about 4 inches of parting space, like a regular lace front. So yes, and this cap size, guys. Yeah. So the wig. Okay, baby boy. The wig size for this, my head is so small, y'all. My head is so small. I'm actually a size, well, I have the head that's a 21. My head is a little bit smaller than this. So I do always have a little extra room when I do make my wigs. Probably about, maybe like an inch of extra room, I would say. But this wig cap, guys, is very small head friendly. This is really nice. It fits my head perfectly. I don't have like that bunching and gathering. Like, it fits smoothly over the back of my head. So it is really good for you if you have a smaller size head. Perfect. Because I know us ladies with the smaller heads, we kind of struggle with the wigs that come in that standard size, probably like 22 inches, 22 and a half inches. Sometimes it's just too big for our heads, and we got to do a lot of adjusting. So if you have a small head, this is perfect for you. Do you hear me? Perfect. It fits really nice on my head. So I will go back in, and when I install it, I'm gonna be adjusting the straps, make it a little bit more snug, putting my clips in my head. Probably just this one in the back because I have my other cap up under. But yeah, I'll have all that. And then two, this wig, the hair on the back. Do y'all see this? So I have purchased wigs off of AliExpress and things, and when I get the wig, it's so thin in the back. It's full on the sides, but you can see the tracks through here, and you can't see not one, and it still is a natural density, so it's not gonna look real wiggy at all. That's really good too. So overall, really straight hair. You can run your fingers through it. No snagging, no catching, no shedding, and all that. 2, cap size is perfect. If you have a smaller head, great for you. And 3, what did I just say? Oh, you can't see the wefts in the back, which I don't want to walk around with my wefts showing in the back. So this is perfect. Okay, guys, so I've already washed and bleached the knots on this, and I just wanted to come back and show y'all that it's pre-plucked. But I'm going to go in and tweeze some more, just a little more. But it is already a thinned hairline. And that's for you ladies that struggle with, tweezing the hairline a little bit. So it already comes pre-plucked, which you don't have to necessarily do anything to it. But I'm going to go in and thin it out just a little more before I install it. So what y'all see me doing here is preparing my hairline to put this glue down and this lace down. You want to clean your hairline with 91% alcohol. That ensures everything is cleaned off and there's no oil or makeup or anything like that, so it doesn't interfere with how the glue works. And those brown lines you see across my forehead was where I put the lace down to make a mark so I wouldn't put glue past that point.
You don't want to have extra glue sitting on your hairline. You know, it just looks messy, and sometimes it's hard to kind of get it off once it's dry. You know, it takes a little bit of more alcohol and all that other stuff. And you just don't want to go back and have to be worrying about cleaning it off. You got the glue sitting where it don't need to be, so you can just trace it out, or you know, put little dots where um, you know, you don't want to go past, or you know, just make you a little mark or something. And I'm using Ghost Bond. I always use Ghost Bond. I haven't used any other glue. I think I want to try Bow Hold and all the other ones, but I've just been sticking to my Ghost Bond, which I'm used to. So this time I'm not gonna use 4 layers. I usually use 4 layers, just because you know I don't want to have to reapply my wig. You know, I want it to last a little longer. But this time I'm just doing 2 layers. You know, I had somewhere to be, so 2 layers does the job too. It still holds. So I'm gonna do 2 layers and then let it dry clear, and then I'm gonna put my wig down. So I'm gonna let y'all continue watching, and then I'll be back.
Okay, guys, so I went ahead and tied my hair down. Y'all do not judge me. I cannot find my scarf, so I used a pair of leggings. Do the same job. I just need to tie my edges down. But I'll be back once I get dressed and, you know, get my makeup and everything on so y'all can see the finished products of this wig. I think I may, I'm not sure. I might wear it straight, but I'm thinking about putting some curls in it. That's if I got time. But yeah, I'm gonna come back once I get dressed and get my makeup and stuff, and then I'll show y'all the final results. Okay, guys, so I'm back, and with the final product, this is a wig that. Hold on 1 second. This is the wig that came from haloladyhair off of AliExpress. This was a lace front wig, 13 by 4 dollar standard. They come in, so you can part about 4 inches back on this, about 4 inches back, and on the sides a little shorter, but that's fine. I threw a couple curls in this. It came 14 inches Brazilian hair. I threw a few curls in it, and then cut the bang area a little bit. I think I'm gonna leave this wig as a side part. I never wear side parts, never. So this is kind of this is different for me, but I'm liking it. I like it. Yeah. So that's all I did. Glued the wig down. I showed y'all what I used previously. Ghost Bond. Hopefully I'm giving y'all scalp. I try to thin it out a little bit more once I put it on my head, but I don't know how these ladies be doing that, thinning it out while it's on their head and whatnot. But I think I did pretty good. So here y'all go. I really like it. So if y'all want to see more videos like this, like, comment, and subscribe. Thumbs up this video if you liked it. And yeah, I'll be back with another video soon for you guys. So talk to y'all later.